I'm gonna show my mom back home.
What was that?
Got the big jet tub,
You have all three sisters, right? What do you do?
huge shower.
Are you? Wow, you look so young. People take you seriously when you come in? They will, right? Yeah.
Daddy out on the balcony.
What do you do at the hospital?
Huh. I'm a CNA too, also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I just want to show my mom. Balcony.
Get the zebras. They're walking in.
Oh, the zebras are coming. Look how long the balcony is. It goes all the way to the bedroom. Let's see. Oops, sorry.
They coming
On
back?
somebody's toes. Yeah, the zebras are coming. It's even got a dishwasher. And there's another bathroom. A washer and dryer. Little bar stools to sit at. Living room. And then the other bedroom, it's got another bathroom, bathroom number 3. It's got another little area there for the kitchen. And here's another bed, another TV, another balcony. Even zebras on there. Oh, it's just a small little private one. And that all's looking out at the animals too. Like a whole big house. Got a separate door. Bedroom.